Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today we're going to be working on an iPhone 6s Plus. Has a cracked screen. And I'm going to go ahead and replace this with the OEM grade screen. And as always, I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, speed up the video, and show you the final result. So I hope you enjoy.
Let's go! Yeah! For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be.
And we are done. So 9 minutes and 2 seconds, and we have a brand new iPhone 6s screen. Everything still works. So if you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, screen replacement, things like that, we can help you. And also make sure you check us out on Instagram and also our website. I'll leave a link in the description below with both. And if you get the chance to like, comment, subscribe, and also share the video on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, things like that, it truly helps. Thank you to all of our customers. Thank you for watching the videos. And until next time, I will see you guys soon. Thanks again. So just a little side note, this company always puts their sticker. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. They always put their sticker on their repairs, and I'm not sure why they do that.